We want to arrest somebody, to have them prosecuted, to be put in jail, to stay in jail, to create an environment where people will choose. They don't want to come across the border into the state of Texas anymore because it's not what they were expecting. It's not the red carpet that the federal administration rolled out to them. They are going to jail in the state of Texas. Sixth, the ability to arrest will be enhanced by building border barriers. Some of these border barriers will be built immediately. Whenever anybody tries to modify, attempt, or get through any of these border barriers, that in itself is a crime for which they can be arrested. But on top of that, I will announce next week the plan for the state of Texas to begin building the border wall in the state of Texas.